If you're over 50 and trying to keep your skin healthy without procedures, this is for you. I'm 66 years old. I haven't had plastic surgery or regular skin procedures, and I rely on skincare products that actually work. So when I came across Prequel, a dermatologist developed affordable skincare line made for sensitive skin. I wanted to see how it performs on mature skin. Today, I'm sharing the 4 Prequel products I've been using and what you should know before trying the skincare line. Hi, if you're new here, I'm Glory B, and this is GloryB-TV, a lifestyle channel for mature women who want to look fabulous, feel amazing, and age gracefully. People often ask if I've had work done because I get mistaken for being much younger all the time. And aside from one short experiment I did with Botox and filler back in early 2023, which only lasts a few months anyway, this is my face and my skin at 66 with no ongoing procedures. For me, it really comes down to diet and skincare. I actually look younger than my younger siblings, so this isn't genetics. It's the choices I've made consistently over time. As a YouTuber, I'm always open to trying skincare brands that are new to me, especially when they're developed by dermatologists. And that's where Prequel comes in. The line was created by dermatologist Dr. Samantha Ellis. It's fragrance-free, which is a big plus for me, and it's priced to be accessible. I'll walk you through the 4 products I tried, how they feel on mature skin, and which ones I'm most interested in exploring next. I didn't love all 4 products in the same way, and one of them surprised me in a way I didn't expect. Everything I tell you about today is listed and linked in the description box below the video and in the first pinned comment. If you can't find what you're looking for, please write a comment and I'll reply to help you find it. Let's start with the first Prequel product I tried because hydration is something mature skin really needs, and this one is designed specifically to support the skin barrier while keeping your skin plump and comfortable. It's the Multi-quench Plumping Hydration Serum. It's packed with, let's see if I can say these words right, polyglutamic acid, glycerin, osmolytes, and ectoin. Basically a moisture powerhouse. What that means in real life is your skin feels soft, supple, and hydrated without any stickiness or heavy feeling. It also helps strengthen the skin barrier and supports your skin's natural moisturizing factors, which is something that becomes really important as we get older. I've been using this one morning and night, and my skin just drinks it in. It feels instantly plump and refreshed. I apply it right after cleansing. It has a liquidy texture, so I pump 2 pumps into the palm of my hand, and then using the other hand, I use 2 fingers to apply it to my face. And whatever's left over in my hand, I apply to my neck. Next up is the half and half fluid moisturizer. This is a lightweight, very liquidy moisturizer that's perfect for oily or combination skin, but it can also work for dry skin if you layer it. It's formulated with ceramides and peptides, which are the ingredients that help support the skin's elasticity, hydration, and the overall barrier, all really important as we age. Personally, I like to use it in the morning under sunscreen, and at night I'll layer it under a thicker cream if my skin feels dry. Now, what I love about this one is that it absorbs quickly and it doesn't feel heavy. So it's easy to use every day and it keeps the skin feeling comfortable and nourished. The third product is the Barrier Therapy Rich Skin Protectant Cream. This is a thick emollient cream that really stays put where you apply it, which makes it perfect for very dry skin or for areas that need extra care. It's especially nice for people with sensitive skin conditions like eczema because it's created with a blend of colloidal oatmeal, ceramides, allantoin, and let's see if I say this right, adenosine, and it really helps protect and soothe the skin barrier. I actually use this one more on my body than on my face, and I love how it locks in moisture without feeling greasy. It's that kind of cream that your skin feels like it's drinking in, and it's great for overnight use or anytime your skin needs extra hydration and protection. And it comes in this huge tube with a flip cap. Finally, we have the Glenzer non-drying glycerin cleanser. Now, I'll be honest. As a face cleanser, it wasn't my favorite, mainly because the glycerin makes it slow to rinse off. Too slow for me. But I found a way it really works well, using it in the shower on my body. There, it rinses pretty quickly and doesn't leave a residue on the shower floor, and my skin feels hydrated without that tight, dry feeling. So the glycerin does have a slightly slimy texture, but that's just what glycerin feels like. And it actually leaves your skin feeling soft and protected. So while it's not my go-to for face cleansing, it's surprisingly nice for a body wash, which is exactly why I mentioned earlier that one product ended up surprising me in a way I didn't expect. Prequel also has a few other products that sound really interesting. First, the Retinol Renew Retinaldehyde Gel. Now, this is great for sensitive skin like mine that hasn't been able to handle retinols with an O. It comes in either a 0.1% or a 0.2% formula. Second is their Lucent C Vitamin C Serum. Now, this is a 15% ascorbic acid solution. It's $23 for 1 ounce, which is a great price. Now, I apply vitamin C serum in the morning right after cleansing and before other serums. Next, their Universal Skin Solution Dermal Spray sounds very interesting. This is a hypochlorous acid spray, a super oxidized solution with electrolyzed water. Now, Dr. Ellis says she uses this as a staple product in her practice on patients more than any other product she has. You spray it on your face after cleansing to calm and alleviate reactive, sensitive skin. They write you can also use it on your body. And a fourth product that sounds interesting is the Scar Solutions Silicone Scar Stick for face and body. Now, they say you can use this on scars, fine lines, stretch marks, and post blemish marks. Dr. Ellis likely sees patients with scars and wanted a product that she knows works well. So if you have any of these skin conditions, take a look at this product. So those are the 4 Prequel products I've been using. Overall, I think this line is thoughtfully developed, affordable, and really works well for sensitive aging skin. The hydration serum and the half and half moisturizer are my personal favorites for daily use. The barrier therapy cream is fantastic for dry or sensitive areas, and the cleanser surprised me by working really well as a body cleanser. At 66, with no plastic surgery or ongoing procedures, what works for me comes down to consistent skincare and lifestyle choices. That's why I like that Prequel offers fragrance-free, dermatologist-developed products that feel effective without being complicated. If you're looking for a skincare line that's easy to use, covers multiple skin needs, and is gentle enough for sensitive skin, Prequel is worth exploring. If you try any of these products from their line or any that I haven't even mentioned, I love to hear how they work for you in the comments. I always enjoy hearing about your experiences. Products are listed and linked in the description box and in the first comment. If you want to see more skincare insights for mature skin, the kind that actually works, don't forget to subscribe. I share tips, product trials, and my personal routines, all geared toward looking fabulous and feeling amazing at any age. You can start by tapping one of the images on the right side of your screen, and I'll see you in the next video.